Imagine a world where your morning coffee is brewed, your floor is vacuumed, and your laundry is folded, all by a robot wrapped in a cozy fabric suit. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, guess what? It's real. Meet Neo, a 5'5" robotic assistant weighing around 66 pounds, designed not just to function, but to fit in. Unlike the metallic, clunky bots from the past, Neo wears a soft, knitted suit made of high-tech 3D printed nylon, crafted with precision using an advanced Japanese knitting machine. So instead of looking like a machine, it feels more like a friendly presence in your home. But here's the real kicker. This robot isn't just about looks. It's designed to be a silent powerhouse, operating at about the same noise level as your refrigerator. No loud whirring, no buzzing, just smooth, efficient movement as it handles your everyday tasks. A recently released 40-second clip from One X Technologies showcased Neo preparing coffee for a couple in an aesthetically pleasing, earth-toned home. They're laughing, enjoying their time together, while Neo, unnoticed, diligently completes its task. But here's something interesting. The last few seconds of the video give off major Wes Anderson vibes, a symmetrical shot of the couple sipping wine while Neo sits alone on the couch. Almost melancholic. It raises an interesting question. Do we feel empathy for a machine that acts almost human? Think about it. Maybe you've already named your Roomba, or you feel guilty when your smart assistant mishears you. With robots like Neo, we're starting to move into a world where machines aren't just tools. They might just be companions. All right, let's get into the brainpower behind this soft-bodied helper. Reinforcement learning at 100 Hz. This means Neo learns like a human, using real-world movement data to walk, bend, squat, and even sit on a couch without tipping over. Balance is key, and unlike those early robots that struggled with stairs or random obstacles, looking at you, clumsy bots of the past, Neo can handle unpredictable environments, whether it's a pet cat, a toy on the floor, or a pile of laundry. Advanced vision system. It doesn't just see objects, it understands them. Thanks to neural networks analyzing sensor data, Neo can recognize and pick up a variety of objects, even ones it's never seen before. Whether it's a coffee cup, a TV remote, or a fragile wine glass, Neo's got it covered. Soft touch safety design. No cold metal arms or intimidating joints here. Neo's actuators are covered with soft padding, making it safe for kids, pets, and even the clumsiest adults. A built-in language model. If you've ever chatted with AI assistants like ChatGPT, imagine that, but embodied. Neo doesn't just respond with words, it reacts with gestures and body language. It can nod, gesture, and even express a level of engagement through its glowing LED-lit earrings. Now let's address the real question. Is this something the average person can own? Right now, Neo is still in testing mode. One X Technologies is focused on real-world trials, seeing how it adapts to actual home environments, opening doors for elderly family members, carefully stepping over a sleeping dog, or even learning what to do when a toddler suddenly whacks it with a toy hammer. The company has seen a 10-fold improvement in hardware reliability over its previous version, and noise levels 10 decibels lower than before, making it one of the quietest humanoid robots around. But while it's impressive, it's not quite ready for mass-market sales just yet. Here's a fun question for you. Should we feel bad for robots? Neo's promotional video almost nudges us to think about that. When a robot moves like us, gestures like us, and even sits alone like us, does it deserve acknowledgement? Or is it just another smart appliance, like a microwave with extra steps? It's a fascinating dilemma as we move toward a future where robots aren't just in factories, but in our homes. OpenAI and One X Technologies are betting big on embodied intelligence. AI that doesn't just exist in the cloud, but interacts physically with the world. Imagine a chat GPT-like assistant that doesn't just tell you how to cook a meal, but actually walks to the stove and helps you do it. While Neo isn't quite at that level yet, it's one of the most advanced home robots in development today. But let's be real. If we're going to invite robots into our homes, they need to be reliable, affordable, safe, and emotionally intuitive. 1X is working on all of those aspects, and soon, we might just see Neo, or its future version, become a standard home assistant, much like how dishwashers and vacuum cleaners became household staples over time. So what do you think? Would you want a robot like Neo in your home? Or do you think we should hold off on giving our robots names until we're sure they won't resent us for all the chores we make them do? Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and robotics content, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going. Until next time, stay curious.